Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I'm going to show you kind of an easy beginner brainwave type effect, okay? You just, not too difficult to do if you're just starting out in magic. This is kind of a good one to learn and you can really impress some folks with it, okay? So basically you have your regular deck of cards, well mixed, well shuffled, and you have a spectator just go ahead and give you a number. And it can be any number, and usually try and get it between 1 and 25. So let's say they gave you the number of 12, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna count down 12 cards, okay, from the bottom of the deck, okay, face up onto the table, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then the 12th card happens to be this card right here, the 7 of diamonds. Now they could have named any number, you know, between 1 and 25. Could have done one on 52, and you could have landed on any one of these cards, or you could have landed on any one of these cards. But earlier in the day, I actually placed one card in the deck with a different back on it, and I knew you would select the number 12, and it just happened to be the 7 of diamonds, the only blue back card in a red deck of cards. And that's Almost Brainwave, and it's really simple to do, okay? But before I show you how to do it, please like and subscribe to this video. I appreciate it. It really helps this channel out. I post magic tutorials once a week, usually on Wednesdays. And, you know, if you do like and subscribe to this channel, it really does help me out, so I do appreciate it, okay? Also, check out thebestmagicshop.com, where you can find some awesome new magic tricks, accessories, shirts, bags, and more for yourself or anyone who just likes magic. And now for the tutorial. Okay, like I said, this is an easy beginner trick. You just have your regular deck of cards, okay? And then pick one indifferent card from a blue deck. You know, I'm using a red deck, and then so I'll use a blue indifferent card. 7 of diamonds, I removed the 7 of diamonds from the, the red one, and I got the blue one, and you just start and place it right here on the bottom of the deck, okay? And that's your setup and you're ready to go. Now, if you want to practice shuffling a card where you deal down the bottom cards first and then shuffle the rest of the cards with your right hand, kind of out jog these a little bit so if you do a riffle, it'll cover any kind of blue that might flash from that bottom card, okay? And then square them up. Or you can just do kind of a fake Hindu shuffle where you're just taking cards out of the middle of the deck, okay? And then just pulling packets off the top stack, dropping them in your hand, and then that looks like you're mixing up the cards, okay? So you just mix up all the cards except for the bottom card. That's still your indifferent card. Have a spectator give you any number, and they can give you any number, it doesn't matter. And what you're doing is you're gonna be doing a move called the glide move, is where you take the bottom card, and before you start counting out from the bottom, you're gonna push that bottom card over with your middle finger. Okay, this is my right hand, this is my left hand, just so you get a little gap here between the bottom card and then the second to bottom card, and you kind of hide this with your hand, okay? Hide the movement with your finger, and then hide the card sticking out with your hand, okay? So then what you do is and I'll show you, you count down whatever number they said. Let's say they just say 9, just for demonstration purposes. You count down 8 cards, okay? So that's the first one, and you're just taking them right here, for not really the bottom card. The bottom card doesn't get touched, okay? This is all second from the bottom cards, okay? So that's 3, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6, that's 7. Okay, this is 8, and then the 9th one, square up the packet with your left hand, turn the deck over, and you're saying, here's the 9th card. Place this on the table, that's your blue back card, and then you can show out of all these cards, out of any number you could have picked, okay, you just happen to stop me at the card that I placed earlier in the day, and that's why it's almost a brainwave. That's the only blue back card in the deck, okay? So it's pretty simple to do. It just requires the glide move and a spectator just to give you any number, and try and keep the number low. You know, if they say 52, you know, it's hard. If they say 1, you're done. You know, you just say, okay, look, there's one card on the bottom that happened to be the only blue card. It's usually better if they give you a number between 1 and 25, so you can count down a few cards and then show them that, you know, no matter what number they would have picked, it would have been the blue card, okay? And that's Almost Brainwave. So please let me know what you think. If you have any questions, you can email me or leave them in the comments below, and have fun with it. And until next time.